was sleeping under the tree. Monkeys came one by one. And took away all the caps. When the capsular wake up, there was no caps. He shouted at the monkey.
Return my cap. Return my cap. Give my cap.
Yes, but monkey did not listen. The clever capsular threw his own cap on the ground, and all the monkey immediately did the same. The capsular picked up the caps and went away happily. Moral is, wisdom helps in difficult time. What is the moral?
Wisdom helps in difficult time.
Thank you.